Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really quick and easy braided faux French roll hairstyle. We're going to start by simply creating a ponytail at the back of the head, round about top of the ear height. Now we're going to create a small hole behind that elastic band, so pop your finger through from right to left, creating a little hole. Reach your other fingers through from the left to the right and pass that ponytail through the hole, so we're creating a sideways twist. And then just tighten up that by just pulling on the ponytail slightly. Now we're going to create a French lace braid, and it's really simple. We're just going to take a small section of hair and divide this into 3 sections, and we're just going to start braiding it normally. So pass that left hand strand over the middle strand, and then the right hand strand over the middle, and then one more time, left hand over the middle, and then right hand strand over the middle. But this time we're going to add a small slice of hair from that ponytail and join that into that strand we've just added to the middle. So left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle, and then add a slice of hair from the ponytail and join that to the middle strand that we've just added to. And it's that simple really. We're going to repeat that down to the bottom of the hair. Just make sure as you're braiding this, you're holding the braid towards you, so each section that you take will be slightly longer than the next. Once you run out of hair, just secure everything off with a clear elastic band, and you should be left with something that looks a bit like this. Now simply grab hold of that braid and flip it over to the opposite side of the head, and just tuck those tail ends under. And then all we're going to do is take a few bobby pins and just secure that braid to the opposite side of the head. Now just take those tail ends and just pin them underneath, and finish off this style with a little bit of hairspray to help any flyaways. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.